Drilling. Drilling is another fundamental part of the ESL classroom. Using flashcards to drill opens up a multitude of possibilities and different strategies to help keep the students engaged and retain the information. Drilling vocabulary while using flashcards is effective, but if the teacher isn't careful, it can be quickly boring. There are many techniques that you can use to lighten up your presentations when you're drilling vocabulary. Volume drilling. This is especially effective for the younger learners as it creates a fun and energetic atmosphere. You raise the volume as you raise the card upwards, and it can be done in 3 steps, repeating the vocabulary from quiet to loud. You make the motions big and dramatic, as visually stimulating as possible, and you can use it with your TPR actions. You can get the students to stand up, and when you hit the peak, get them to jump. It can also be reversed, so you can go from high to low and end up being very quiet as well. 1, 2, 3 drilling. Now this is particularly good for reinforcing words that are difficult or dull. It's a simple repetition drill. The teacher says the words once, the students repeat it once. The teacher says the word twice, the students repeat it twice. 3 times, they say 3 times, and so on. As many times as you feel necessary, and that is fun. You make the motions big and dramatic like before, and you make it as visually stimulating as possible. And eventually this can lead to chanting or saying the words in a beat. Okay guys, are you ready? Carrot. Carrot, carrot. Carrot, carrot, carrot. Very good. Here we go again. Cabbage. Cabbage, cabbage. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Cabbage, 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 cabbage. Backwards drilling. This is an especially good drill if you only have a short amount of time and you're trying to get the students to memorize as many cards as possible. The drill itself forces the students to recall the information to be able to participate. You drill 1 to 3 cards at a time, going forwards as well as backwards. For example, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The teacher can pause between the cards to let the students try and recall the information and help them by adding actions to reinforce the words. Okay guys, here we go. Listen, speak loudly. Chocolate. Chocolate. Cookie. Cookie. Bread. Bread. Cookie. Cookie. Chocolate. Chocolate. Cookie. Bread. Donut. Donut. Bread. Cookie. Bread. Donut. Donut. Nuts. Nuts. Slow reveal drilling. This is good for a more competitive vibe in the classroom. It creates a fun atmosphere where the students can compete against each other in teams or pairs or individuals. Remember to use positive reinforcement when a student gets something right. The teacher drills through the cards as normal. Holding 1 card in your hand and 1 over the picture, you reveal the picture slowly, and the first student or group that shouts it out can get a star or a high five. You can vary this drill to have students do the action as well, and you reward the students to come out and be the teacher to do the revealing. Okay, are you ready? We're going to drill through the cards. Ready? Potato. Potato. Cucumber. Cucumber. Lettuce. Lettuce. onion. Onion. Okay, I'm going to cover the card. You have to guess. Here we go. Ooh. What is it? Can you guess? Ooh. Yes, potato. Very good. Everybody, potato. Potato. Okay, one more. What is it? Ooh. Ooh. Can you guess? Cucumber. Very good. Say cucumber. Cucumber.